Hey, this is Ryan from Web Eminence, and in this video I'm going to talk about one of the cool features and one of the latest features in the Divi theme. I think it was new in 2020 and it's called the Theme Builder. So I'm not going to go over all the details of the Theme Builder and what it does. I'll give you a brief overview but let you watch some other videos or a ton on YouTube that go over it. My goal in this video is just to show you two examples of how I use it on two websites. And I think they're representative of the most common ways that people will use the theme builder in Divi. So once you have Divi installed, you can find the theme builder. You'll have to make sure you have one of the latest versions of Divi, but under Divi you can click on theme builder and it looks like this. So you can add templates, and basically this allows you to add different templates to the header, footer, and body of the of your theme, of the Divi theme. I just want to show you two examples of how I use it. So this is one website and I'll show you what the site looks like here. And I'm using this to build this header. So you can see, if you've used Divi before, you can glance at this and know that this would be a little bit tough to build with the standard Divi theme. But with the new theme builder, I'm able to do some more custom things like move this logo around, have it kind of over the red background and the white background, have some text centered with a button and phone number. So all this is allowed or made easier by the theme builder. And if we go into the theme builder, you can see I have a global header here. Basically what that means is that this header that I built is going to go on all the pages of my site. And within theme builder you can set options within each template to disable them and enable them. You can also show them on certain pages within your site. So if I was to add a new template, you can see the first setting is basically where I want it to show, where I want to exclude it from. So if I were to edit this global header, it's basically going to take me into a Divi builder that you're familiar with. So you can basically build your header custom, and you can see I built this header here. I think this is a mobile module here, which is why it looks a little different. So if we go back to the site, if I was to edit a page on my main website where I have this header module active, you can see that it shows it visually, but I can't edit it because it's a theme builder module. So I can edit everything else on the page, but it's kind of nice that they show you the top portion here. So anyway, those are some details on the theme builder, but again, let me just show you the two examples how I'm using it. So the first one again is a global header. So this is a great way to just build your own custom header that shows across the entire website. And once you have a global header or footer active, again, it's going to be on all your pages that are just the default template. So all my pages on this site are using the default template. Under page attributes, as long as I don't have it set to blank, it's going to show my global header and global footer that are set in the theme builder. So I only am using the header in this template. And this is probably the most common way that people might want to use the theme builder with Divi. I'm going to show you one other website where I'm using it for a global header and a global footer. And also I have a custom header on one page, and it is the contact page. So let me first click into the global header and show you what that looks like. So it's fairly basic, but we just wanted to add a vertical or a horizontal line and just make the social icons and the phone number look a certain way, which would have been a little difficult with the standard Divi header. We also have a global footer that I'll show you, and that has some contact information with a map. So now that I have those global headers and footers built, any page I create that has a standard template is going to have that header and the footer on the bottom. So the reason we wanted a different footer for the contact page is we already have all the contact info, so we really didn't want to show that information again. So in the contact page, I don't even remember what I did here. So basically we're showing a blank footer there so that there's nothing. So there might be another way to do that. I think I was initially trying to exclude the contact page from the global, but because it's global, I was having trouble with that. So it ended up being easier just to create this custom header and have no footer. So really it's just a custom header that's a duplicate of the global header, but it has no footer. So that's just the way I chose to create the contact page without the footer. So there are a ton of ways to use the theme builder to customize your Divi theme and your Divi websites. Those are just two common ways that I use it and that you probably could use it as well. So hopefully you found that useful. Let me know what questions you have and how you use the theme builder, and we'll see you on the next Divi video.